found him. Visibility is dropping fast.
Copy that. Moving the stretcher now. Let's get him secured. I see him. 200 meters, bearing 049er.
Confirmed. Let's move. I can barely see the trail. Hold steady.
Target acquisition in 2 clicks. Keep pushing.
Subscribe for more extreme survival stories, like the video, and comment your thoughts below.
We see the beacon. Are you injured? We have a stretcher ready. Let's move.
We're almost at the snowcat. Keep pushing, just a few more feet and you're safe.
I've got you. We're getting off this mountain now.
Okay. It's okay, I've got you. We're going up now, just hold on tight.
This is the moment the supercell reaches peak intensity.
The wind is gusting over 100 kilometers per hour out here. We have to secure the readings before the storm worsens.
He's secure. Let's move. Watch your footing. Keep going.
Secure the harness now. Are you injured?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, hold tight. We're going up. Is anyone here? We're with the rescue team. Shout if you can hear me. At 70 Zenfel, 17 cells.
Tonight, one African-American male life is trapped in the frozen silence of the Arctic Gare, and rescue may already be too late.
Tonight.
Tonight, one African-American male life is trapped in the frozen silence of the Arctic Gare, and rescue may already be too late.
When a sudden blizzard erupted without warning, communication collapsed. No signal. No shelter rated for this temperature.
The Arctic winter is not just cold, it is unforgiving.
If help doesn't arrive soon, the cold will decide the outcome.
When a sudden blizzard erupted without warning, communication collapsed. No signal, no shelter rated for...
As snowmobiles push forward, visibility drops to nearly zero. Winds scream at over 90 kilometers per hour. Rescuers work fast. Warming packs, insulation layers, emergency oxygen. One mistake here could be fatal.
He's freezing. We need shelter now. I see the beacon. Keep going. Push! We're almost there. Keep going.
But the Arctic leaves its mark. Frostbite scars. Permanent reminders of how close death came. Nature didn't lose that night. Human determination simply refused to surrender.
The Arctic doesn't care who you are yet. Scientist, rescuer, or explorer.
If this mission moved you, subscribe for more extreme survival documentaries, like this video, and share your thoughts in the
Lift on my count. Ready, pull. Steady, steady. All right, let's move.